Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the essentials. Make sure your router is broadcasting a 2.4 GHz network because most Wi-Fi LED lights only accept that band. Next, power the bulb or strip and look for the rapid blinking pattern that signals pairing mode. This saves time. Open the manufacturer app on your phone, choose Add Device, and when prompted, enter your 2.4 GHz SSID and password. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts to allow local network access so the light can connect. After initiating pairing, if Auto Discover doesn't find the light, switch to manual setup. Either scan the device QR code or type the device ID shown on the blinking light into the app. Once the device joins your network, rename it and assign it to a room so voice assistants and automation can target it properly. Create groups for multiple lights to control them together. Make sure to install firmware updates now because they improve reliability and unlock new features that prevent future headaches. Complete setup by testing basic controls. Toggle power, adjust brightness, change color, and activate a scene. Test both in the app and through any linked voice assistant so everything is responsive. If the light behaves oddly, power cycle the light and router first. Rebooting resolves most temporary network mismatches. If the device never pairs, perform the manufacturer's factory reset sequence, then repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, check you are on 2.4 GHz and close other heavy Wi-Fi traffic during setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.